Okay, hello, let's go with me. Start to play with the tractor. Wow, wow, wow. So lovely, so lovely. Okay. Wow, this one is so lovely too. I love it. Wow, a lot of drag. Oh my god, yeah. That's it. Hello. Okay, today I will going to find the mini drag all together. Please go with me. Yeah. Oh, guys, see this one? Okay, maybe. Wow. Okay. Drag in here. Drag in here. Wow. It is so. Oh my god. What happened? Okay. Go for more. Alright, go to find more. Wow, this one is over there. Also, it is over there. Maybe here's the truck, and it is a big tail. Oh my god. Oh, it's really good to put it over there. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Okay, can put them over here. Yes, one. Okay, go to find more. Wow, it is mini drag. Caution. Got it. Wow, it is so beautiful. Oh, I love it. You find them. Where is that? Wow. Oh, go to see the narrow. Yes, the arrow is turn right. Okay, go to see that narrow. Oh, this one. Oh, it is so ugly. Oh my god, it is over there. Okay, yes, put it over there. Oh, there are 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see the narrow. Narrow is turn right. Let's go to. Yay! It's over there. One more. My god, it's so beautiful. Yeah, let's put here next. Okay, go. Find more. Oh my god. Yes, see one and narrow. Okay, wanna see narrow here? Yeah. Which one? Oh my god. Yes, over there. It's easy to find it. So easy to find it. Yes, it is blue car. Okay, put over there. Yeah. Let's see the narrow. Oh, it is turn right. Oh wow, over there. Let's see over there. Let's go to see. Yeah. Good to see it. Oh my god. Okay, one more car. Okay, that's so beautiful car. It is the red one. Let's see the narrow. It is turn right again. Let's go. Find it. Yeah. Oh my god. It is a car. It is the horse car. The grass. In the grass, it is not easy to find it. Oh my god. Oh. Let's go to see from the narrow. Okay, go. Oh my god, here. See the narrow here, over there. Okay, you can go to see over there. Let's go. Okay, let's go from the narrow. Wow. Oh my god. Let's see. Wow. A lot of car and a lot of truck. Wow. I love it so much. Here's the dinosaur. Here's the truck. Here's the mini truck. Wow, it is a tractor. This one is not a tractor. It is a big truck. So beautiful. Okay. one is just the truck. That's good. And this one is big truck. Okay. And this one is so lovely. So much. Okay. A lot of car. So okay. It is easy to find.